Gotta find that cooler real quick. Where's that cooler at? Be back here somewhere. Skirt, skirt. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video, dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much again for being here, guys. Today we are at the local farm and fleet, and we just picked up this bedliner paint that we're going to put on the frame of the Duramax just to get it ready for winter. Winter with the salt is brutal on truck frames around here in the Midwest. I don't know where you guys are from or what you guys use to prevent rust from happening. But a couple years back, I did buy some bedliner paint and I did paint it with a brush on the frame. Turned out super sick and it lasted very well. It's just now finally starting to wear a little bit, so we are gonna re-up it. So I'm gonna show you guys what we bought. Trying something new here, so hopefully it lasts as good as the last stuff. But here, take a look at what we got, guys. Well, as I destroy the box here, it looks like we got Duplicolor Bed Armor DIY truck bed liner, and we are going to put this on the frame, like I said, not in the bed. So hopefully this stuff works out. It was $130, but it was on sale for 50 bucks. So sometimes clearance items, it's because they don't work, but we're going to roll the dice here because anything's going to help, in my opinion. So let's get back to the shop. We'll lay this stuff out, we'll take a look at it, and we'll test this stuff out, guys. Also, that too, we did pick up this butane torch for Tori's channel. So if you want to get lit with Tori, head on over to Tori's Beauty Tribe and see what she's up to, guys. But anyways, time for today's video. Okay, so now that I destroyed the box, we did get everything out of there. Comes with a full gallon. And actually, guys, when I was reading this box here, it actually said automotive undercoating. So it actually is used for the frame. So that's perfect. A little stir stick, and then it comes with a little tray, little roller, and a brush. So everything all in one, 50 bucks. That's perfect. Now let's just prep up the frame. Take that Scotch-Brite pad, maybe a wire brush, and we'll scratch it down and get this stuff painted on, guys, and see kind of what it looks like. All right, so let's see how bad it really is, guys. You can kind of see where it's kind of starting to rust through from the last time we did it. So just trying to clean this up and reapply it because it looks so much better. Yeah, I know it's kind of cosmetic, but we did just change the oil, the fuel filter, as well as the brakes. So we're getting all ready for winter here. It's better to do it now than when it's 20 below. You guys agree? Oh, that stuff actually is working pretty good. Just gotta prep this surface, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, now that we got the frame prep, let's pop this open here. Little screwdriver action and see what this stuff looks like. Shook it up real good, of course. Oh boy, look at that black magic right there. Woo! That stuff's gonna be nice. Now when we do this, we are gonna put a blanket down to lay on. That way we don't drop this stuff all over the driveway, because this stuff is super sticky and hard to get off, if I remember right. So anyways, we're gonna dump some in our tray, get our couple brushes that came with it, and have at it. All right, guys, sorry if it's a little windy out here, but we just got both sides done, and look at this, absolutely sick. There's the stuff. It was super sticky. Look at my hands. Insane. Man, that turned out so good. Check this out. Look at it out here. Can you tell? Oh, maybe the sun's bad. We can get on the other side and see it too, but look at that frame, boy. Look at that frame. So much better. Looks like fresh out of the factory. So now that the frame's done, I did notice under the doors here, you can kind of see that's starting to go there. So I thought about maybe taping this off a little bit and then painting this too. I'm pretty sure this was just bed liner anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape this off and kind of do under here while I'm at it. Okay, now all that's left to do is peel this tape off and see how we did. Oh yeah, this stuff's gonna be nice and protected now. Nice line. Woo! Alright guys, so there you have it. That was super easy. That only took about an hour and I barely used any of that gallon. So this is probably why they give you a gallon, is if you're gonna do the whole truck bed. I didn't do the whole truck bed, obviously. We just did some undercoating and turned out super sick. So definitely went overkill as far as the amount, because you never know how much you're gonna use and you definitely don't wanna have to go back to the store. So super stoked with it. I'll let you guys know in a couple months after the winter how it holds up. But initially, 10 for 10. Super easy to do, super budget friendly. And yeah, I kind of just did a hack job. Obviously, I could have taken the wheels off. I could have prepped the frame more. I could have got all the way under there, but I just wanted to slap this on real quick. Every little bit helps. It is a work truck after all. It doesn't really matter. It's not a show truck. We're not trying to enter SEMA or anything with this bad boy. We're just trying to get through the winter here in the Midwest. Let me know what you guys do for remedies and taking care of your frame, taking care of that rust. God, I hate rust. Rust is just terrible up here. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, stay tuned for more exciting content. I'm always trying to bring stuff your guys' way. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Sorry, guys, this GoPro wind is going to be terrible. But in the last video when we did the 5-inch axle back exhaust, look at this from the back, though. The way it angles down, guys. Oh, it looks so sick. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out after this one, because I am loving it.